are you an artist where the government and the country don't rate? I go take out your money out of your stage show and your dub plate money and you go help the people them. But you're going to make a politician come and stand beside you and take away the glory and drain your energy. Uno na say no mad. Bless up, bless up, bless up. Well, go on, my people. Big up to everybody in Jamaica. Big up to all survivors. You know, love the Jamaican people. Big up all PNP, all labor rights, all uptown, all ghetto people. You know, I want Jamaica. You see me I say? Big up all American who fly down, all British who fly down. Anyway, I really come from a fly down, go help the people them. See? Big up on yourself. Me don't know, sometimes I say some things and people not get it at first and then they realize what me I say and them say, oh yeah man, I understand them there, say no and wait it. Me really want to ask you if you don't have any confidence in the Jamaica government. Like what level of confidence you have in the Jamaica government? Because I'm extremely disappointed, you know. Me think say the Jamaica government is completely heartless when it comes to the concern of the citizens. Like, it sure me say no love, no da. It sure me say the government just a do a job and them a do it with no remorse. Like, it's like them not have true compassion for the people them. You see me I say like the hungry people them you see a ball and water, you know, a civilian people, you know that. The hungry people them you see a ball and water, the dancehall people them will go and I see the atrocities and you know what I mean? Like, me not see the politician shed no eye water all now. The way how me see regular civilian I go hard. All now me not see no politician I go hard. Me yet to see no politician will go in a them pocket and I do nothing. All them a talk about funds allocated. And I want for who to spend the money and how the money to spend. Want to phone pay bill, want to check, want to know how much millions. Our politicians, them are the highest paid politicians them in the Caribbean. And then a situation like this, when I hear no politician say, yo, I'm going to donate $5 million out of my own money towards victims. Me hear, you know, I don't know if that's true, me hear say, this is what I talk, I hear say. Say the Prime Minister say, allegedly, if you get $3.5 million loan to rebuild, loan, you know, $3.5 million loan. Yeah. And that him say? Somebody tell me say that him said this morning. Say loan. Where if I go? No, first thing, we don't loan something there when it make no sense. The allegations are coming out here if it's true, you know. I don't know if it's facts. So I talk about my ear, because I know. If me hear. Me hear so you have to bring your land title to get the money to borrow. So, listen now. You have to carry your land title to go get the loan. Yeah. Somebody say I choose, eh? I am not knowing if it's factual. I want to wake up and hear. But if it is that you forget that $3.5 million to borrow, you're going to need land title to borrow it. That means the government, me not got to take a land party. That I last one. Ask the question here. How much are the 3 million people in Jamaica who live there have a land title? The ratio who have land title about 20% to who not have. You have people who live on land and be a diagram them have. An outline and sitting there, not a title. So who that means say? That means say this not go finna suffer right now. You understand what I'm saying? This can't go finna suffer. It can't, if it's true, it can't go finna suffer. How much people own land title at Jamaica? Talk to me now, man. Oh, that makes sense. Somebody see if you can fact check this to me and let me know if I true, if something really goes on. But make a reason out this scenario now. If it's true, make a reason. Crystal Punch, check if it's factual or if I just talk. Because if this is factual, this means this benefit is not for any poor people. It's not for any, because remember, you know, you got to have people who pay rent. See, somebody say yes, that's true. You have people who pay rent, so that means you can't get no $3.5 million to help build back nothing because you pay rent. One to the squatters them, people who live in a ghetto, people who live in a rural Jamaica when on a land title and them something there. All them have a benefit. This are bullshit. One to the people them will lose them house and everything. When they take a $3.5 million there, what that can buy to build back house? And when them can't pay back the $3.5 million, what going to happen? Them land are going to get take away. First things first, at the hardest time in the world, America broke, Jamaica broke, England broke, everywhere broke. What kind of surety them people are going to give you so them can pay back the $3.5 million? Now, make me think. What is the money being loaned and what's the surety? Your land title. So when you can't pay now, what going to happen? Your land get taken away. 6 or 1.5 dozen of the other. Run them off of the land or force them to sell the land. This now make no sense. Me don't know if you still have the veil over on the eye. But me not have veil over my eye. Me see through this from long time. But here I'm not sorry for now. And me say, carry on, Mr. Holness. Go and do what you do, Mr. Holness. And 9 years now, me are telling you, say, do not vote for Andrew Holness. None of you no listen to me. Oh, I'm a dirty PNP. Oh, I treat my socialist. 9 years now. Oh, Foota come end up right. 9 years now, I'm still right. Me still right. 9 years after, me still right. What has the government done so far out of themselves, like for the people them? What kind of sympathy the government show for the people them? Blessed. Tell me one thing what they do. Me see artists, entertainer, regular civilian I go harder than government. What do you talk and we see them start to run go do two little things. All know the government they come up with a plan on how we are going to give these people living condition until we get back on our foot. The people them live out a door. The people them not have no shelter, not be a food, not give them all that to go work. Want to the shelter them. Want to the shelter them when them say them prepare when a disaster. Where them there? So much people were displaced and not have nowhere to live. Which part you plan to put them? I know you can't talk. Or you gonna lend a man who can't find food $3.5 million. Or him up here back. Or him up here back. And how much people in a Jamaica have a land title? That are like 10% of the population. That means rich people you try to get the loan. Because poor man not on a title at Jamaica. Poor man not own a land at Jamaica like that. How much? The whole of them analyze you. Ask how much of your friend them have a title. The house or land. Most of the people them were live in a house and mortgage them up here, them still not on a title. So what you say? How you help? How that help?
Okay.
Eh? Tell me how that makes sense. And you're going to have some little numbskull lunatic now. We're going to come say, Lo, the Prime Minister, what more him can do? Him can do way more. When him have, the money them when him have a use, and of him, after the people them, at them situation of the money we spend, all know them to organize and formulate a plan to house the people them. Where you going to put the people them? First thing, if you want to clear the land, I want the proper work to get the people them out of harm's way. Get the people them in a safe environment. Get them somewhere them have bathroom, them have shelter over them head, them can bathe, them can shit, them can wash, them can cook on them something there. What happen? How it work? And when you sit down every day skinning the teeth. The artists them now. The artists them at Jamaica. When you not going to learn? The artists them at Jamaica, when are you going to learn? Only if you are spending your own money and make politicians that come stand up beside you and take the glory. Oh, that makes sense. Oh, that makes sense. Or are you an artist where the government and the country don't rate? I go take out your money out of your stage show and your dub plate money and you go help the people them. But you're going to make a politician come and stand beside you and take away the glory and drain your energy. Uno not say on mad. Uno not say on mad. Uno not say something wrong with you know. Oh, you go sit down. Use your hard-earned dancehall money and I help people. But the politician come stand up beside you and skin him teeth and act like him a do something. How you gonna do that? Remember, you know, Beanie Man are the first man we say jump out. Beanie never out there with a politician. Beanie never team up with nobody. That means a Beanie Man hard-earned money he must spend. And Beanie jump out early. I know some politician not jump out. So if civilian with regular little money can jump out, and the politician them will have our money, or them to spend, and we nah do it. How that go? Big up Beanie Man, Mrs. Chantal, jump out from early. Mrs. Shaggy, one private jet full of goods. Which politician do that? Out of Shaggy, pocket that I come from. Which politicians spend nothing out of them pocket and the things that them love, you know, and them when run down. Me never see Bunty or Beanie out of half a tree and it black, you know. But every time conference I keep it black, you know. Me never see Massacre out of half a tree and it black, so yet like on a conference, you know. So how it work? How you love politicians when you like, you know. But you don't like artists. Me never see Bunty out of half a tree and it ram like conference yet, you know. Me never see so much people load up bike and van and drive back a sizzler yet, you know. When you not gonna learn? When you not gonna learn? If me see like a dancehall queen, sure, can take up her own money and do it. Me say Tommy Lee go around one part with him own money. And the politician, them not one of them not do nothing with them own money, I'll know. Our money them are spend and still don't want to spend it, you know. You don't see something wrong with that. How can you as Mr. Massacre spending money? Massacre spending money and make the politician come and drain him energy. Make the politician go load him own container make you see. Make him go load him own truck make you see. Go load your own truck make me see, brother. Where you come each upside of Massacre, go do your own thing make me see. Your government go do your own thing. What you do? Massacre shouldn't they in a video with you go get me load a truck and something go load your own truck. Yeah, politician, me an artist. And you see the police them will love text it for an artist at Jamaica and love lock off dance and kick over son. Only if you look out on the eye and see who are the real hero them in Jamaica. An artist them are the real hero them in Jamaica. And as an artist or a selector, get in a little trouble. Uno want, lock them up and kick them down and box them down. So my thing is, Zine, why the artists them can spend them own money? Remember the same dirty artists them, you know, with uptown no like, government no like, them say we bagger, the girl them wear too much battery rider, and we talk too much derogatory thing, and we not a diploma, and we not a degree. So how when disaster when always come pressure we? When always come pressure we? But our government to go on vote, our government to go on money, and the government not looking. The government not looking at you know. All know government not sure about you know. And every time shame take them, you know. Every time shame take them do a little thing. Me no see the government go all out to save people and make the thing work. Skeng go hard. Which one is Skeng? The artist or the general on a girl level? No, a joke thing a go on, yo. A joke thing a go on. Me go show you something. Me see Vanessa Bling jump out from early. Gaza Slim. She no wait for nobody, she jump out. And me go say something too. Me have to big up the girl when named CJ Milan. I don't know her, you know. I never see her before. But that girl they come like she have a different love for Jamaica. When we Afrobeat I go at it. CJ Milan come turn up Jamaica thing promotion wise in America on a big level. On a big level. And me see as the disaster strike, she goes a bomb and starts spend. I don't know her, but me have to give her ratings. You know, get a bomb. You know what weird? Me don't know that lady named CJ Milan. I never see her before. I don't know her. Me just see she do some big things in the music.